wide responsibility, a very wide responsibility, because your suggestion, following your understanding of the radio imaging skill, will lead to an excellent patient care.
So most of you who are exam going, the idea was that you should know what are the final things to be kept in mind. You know, I do a version of this for NEET PG which is called BTR, right? So I think now I'm bringing BTR into radiology residency, but it can't be done. You know, now there is nothing that you have कि बस ये इतना कर लो और हो जाएगा. It's not like that. You are training for life and it will always continue. So that's what radiology is now for you guys, but I can sense the same nervousness in you that I can sense when I'm teaching students for NEET PG who are just preparing for the exam. So probably as you grow older, even on the other side, exams don't end, nervousness doesn't end. So hopefully this will be the final exam that you write in your life. That's not true, but at least one major final milestone. इसके बाद छोटे छोटे you will do out of choice, you will do that to yourself.